We are preparing for a cruise and we haven't cruised in a really long time. So, I wanted to get all the things. So I ordered this laundry basket that is collapsible. So it has a great elastic strap that goes around it when you have it folded up. And I'll show you how to fold it in just a moment. And that keeps it secure in your luggage. Obviously, it takes up almost no room at all. And I think what I'll do is I have the laundry zip bags, the ones that take the air out so your clothes get really compacted. I think I'll put this right in there with it. So it'll be nice and compact. I did get it in black. It comes in lots of different colors. And it also comes in a pack of two. So I think I will keep one in our Disney travel stuff. And then I will keep this one just in my closet so that when I'm ready to pack for the cruise, I have everything together. So let's get it opened up and let's just see exactly how big it is. So it just pops open and unfolds. And there it is. Perfect. So it's got, not only does it have cutouts in the mesh here, it also has actual handles. So that's really nice. I think that, you could use one of these handles. I got the magnetic hooks that go on the cruise walls. I got the really heavy duty ones. So I could either use this elastic or I could use one of these and just hang it on the wall in our cruise cabin. So that's cool. The other thing is it does have a little pocket here in the side of the bag. And I would imagine that is for like delicates, like underwear and bras and things like that. I could put those in the side so they don't get mixed in with all the laundry. So then to fold it, you just put it in half, grab your opposite corners. Let's see if I can do this. And you twist. And you twist. I got this. I got this. There we go. There we go. I got it. So there it is. And then I will grab my elastic strap. I'll go back around it and it's ready to travel. I hope this was helpful and I hope you have a great day.